So I've bought this Troopy, 2001, and it turns out I've also bought the fucking Kimberley. Update. Shitloads of red dust, as expected though. Chipboard's obviously swollen. It's got wet at some point. Fuck. Right back to it. Anyone got a bin? Yeah, nah, old man's not gonna be too happy. Stuff works wonders, hey? Shout out to my neighbour Tim for letting me use that. He just wandered over, said if you need a gypsy degreaser, that'd be it, and it's working a treat. So yeah, I'm just getting this silicone off with the silicone remover tool from Bunnings, $6, and it is working very well. Way better than the silicone remover chemical from Bunnings, and that was $20. Alright. Pretty much prepped for sound deadening, but before I do that, I'm just gonna go over the top of this exposed metal with some rust sealant, just to slow down the rust process, because you know that man never sleeps. Yeah. Oh, look at my eye. Oh, mate, it's more than dirty. Holy, look how rusty she is. Alright, onto the flooring stage. So I've just picked up some marine ply, 1200 by 2400 I believe. I've made a core flute template, just picked that up from Bunnings. Got this metal skirting, I use that as a ruler. And I've just traced out all the curves. These to accommodate the seatbelt brackets. Yeah, pretty shocking with the jigsaw, but see how that goes. So just finished the left-hand piece cut. Came out alright. I'm happy with it. So yeah, this cut will hide in the middle of the couch seat, so you won't be able to see that join. Alright, so floor's in. Got the vinyl strips just on there for a taste. I do like that blend. It's like a veneer as well. Pretty cool. So I've got to cut some holes in the middle of the plywood for the table hole, the water pipe hole, and many other holes. Check out how burnt that wood is. Oh yeah, she's not cold. Up, up. Good dog. That's it for today's episode, guys. I'm off for a dive. Should be fun. See you in the next one.